guys, this video is on SOS reusable soap-filled steel wool pads. These are like kind of like Brillo pads, basically the same thing. I steer clear of like the store brand ones. I love SOS because they're always like guaranteed to work. So this requires no dish soap, cuts through grease, removes baked on food. I just used them to clean a bunch of pans that I was cooking with last night, and they came out so nice and clean and sparkling. It's by Clorox, which you know is also like a great cleaning company. So it comes from the makers of Clorox, and it's America's #1 Brillo pads. They have versatile cleaning, kitchen, bathroom. I usually use them to also like really scrub the tile good and make it sparkling in the bathroom. It's good for outdoor lawn tools, patio furniture, barbecue grills, garden tools, grilled tools, golf clubs and grips, garage items such as car windshield wipers, car windshields, kitchen, pots, pans, stoves, broilers, and stove tops. Yes, sometimes I just cleaned a bunch of the pots with the Brillo, and sometimes you really need to get in there and clean the stove with them as well. So bathroom, kitchen, outdoor, and garage. I'm gonna just show you guys. So this is what it looks like before it gets wet. Wet it with some warm water. Great for also cleaning the kitchen sink up. Just like scrubbing it. You see I have like dirt and grime. Gonna rinse it off. Comes so clean after using the Brillo. I just clean everything with it, and then I clean it, keep it with my sponge and my little sponge holder there in the sink. Guys, you gotta get this in your kitchen. Have at least one box of them.